all the fans and overhead lighting is controlled by a remote control that's in each bedroom. Now, if this was already on, you can flip it on from the switch. This light was already on from the remote. I can turn it off by hitting the light button right here. Turn it back on. You can push the down button and dim it down by holding it down. Or you can make it brighter by holding it in. In order to turn the fan on, you press the on and you select, this is cooling, and this is if you want to make it warmer in here, drag the warm air up. You can turn the fan down by this, or up with the up button. Now if you want to keep it on at all times, you can keep it on and just flip the light switch and it will turn everything off. We tend to just keep it on, and then as we come in the room, we can just do this. But if you want to control any of the fans or any of the lighting, if it's not coming on, make sure that the light switch is on and you controlled it with this. Once you've got this on and it's on, you can then turn it on and off with the switch in all the bedrooms.